Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Modes. Pan axis. Push the joystick left or right to pan the gimbal. Tilt axis. Push the joystick up or down to tilt the gimbal. Roll axis. In spin shot mode, push the joystick left or right to rotate the gimbal. Gimbal follow. Follow mode is enabled by default when the gimbal is powered on. In follow mode, the camera view follows the gimbal's pan and tilt movements. This is suitable for shooting up, down, and diagonally. When shooting up and down, aim at a tall building from a high angle, and then gradually move backward while tilting down to cover the entire subject for an interesting shot. Press the M button once and switch to tilt locked mode. The camera view only follows the gimbal's pan movements and stays stable during tilts and rolls. This mode is suitable for shooting horizontally or moving around the subject. When filming a pan shot, aim the camera at the subject, follow alongside, and record. To get an arc shot, move around the subject. Press the M button once and switch to Fpv mode. In Fpv mode, all three axes of the gimbal follow the movement of the grip to mirror your movement. This is useful for capturing landmarks or for first-person narration. When capturing a human subject, push in and then pull back to pop out from the subject. Press the M button once and switch to spin shot mode. Push the joystick to the left or right to control the rotation of the camera view and shoot more dynamic footage. This is suitable for shooting push, pull, and downward. To get a pull shot, put the subject in the center of the frame. Control the joystick to rotate the smartphone while moving forward or backward. When shooting from a high angle and the subject is lying down, control the joystick to rotate the smartphone while pulling up or pushing down the camera.